Hi, I am James Hendrick, Managing Director for Zaventus and Co-Chair of the Hyperledger Mortgage Subgroup. 2023 is coming to an end and a new era is dawning before us. A year that has seen the convergence of transformative technologies spearheaded by artificial intelligence and driven by the revolutionary potential of blockchain. To show us the new developments in the world of blockchain and artificial intelligence in the mortgage industry, the Mortgage Industry Subgroup of the Financial Markets Special Interest Group has kept us in the loop with its monthly updates since November 2021.
Good morning, good afternoon. My name is Marvin Bantugan, and welcome everyone to the January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November 2023 Hyperledger Financial Markets Mortgage Subgroup meeting.